Listen, my eyebrows be a little bit like, it has potential, and when something has potential, that means you pay attention. Just ignore what I just said. But seriously though, my eyebrows have potential.
Crown, crown, crown. I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It is Sarah, and you're watching Styling by Sarah. Thank you guys for being here with me and tuning in. If you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows with a razor. The earrings that I'm wearing in this video, I handmade them. These are the Go Big or Go Home crochet earrings that you can find on sarahTube.com. First, I'm going to start off with using a mascara brush. It's an empty bottle of mascara, so there's nothing in it. It's like from 4 years ago. So I'm using this mascara brush to brush up my eyebrow hair, so it's in a direction of how I'm going to shape it. So you can get this mascara brush, like, it doesn't have to actually be in a mascara container. You can get just the brush, I'm sure, from a beauty related store. So I saw on YouTube that you could use like lotion underneath your eyebrows and above it when using the razor. So that kind of makes me also think about like your legs or other parts of your bodies that you would use lotion or some sort of liquid or ointment to shave your hair off. But I wouldn't recommend this personally. I feel as if it's not for everyone, but it helps shape it to a certain point. So next I use a Lipor Eye Liner pencil to basically trace where I would like to know what not to shave. So I basically shave everything underneath the color pencil mark, and I use a bright color, not a color that matches with my hair, so I know where to not shave. Where not to shave. So I'm only shaving what's underneath. So I was always using the razor, but I did watch YouTube videos where they showed that you should hold up like this side, like on top of your eyebrow, like hold up your skin, hold up your eyebrow while you are shaving your eyebrow to make sure that you get what's below. You're not getting like, it just helps you clearly shave better, raising up your skin so you can get everything that's in there below the line. So now I'm going to start shaving the top of my eyebrows and get a shape forming for the top corner part of my eyebrows and the front part near more of my nose bridge and my forehead, middle of my forehead. So when I started using the razor on the other side for my eyebrows, hair kept on falling down, like it wasn't staying up. So I had to use a brush to go over it again and brush it to have it stay up, so I know the shape that I'm trying to form. So whenever it does do that, when hair falls down, just use the mascara brush to pull it back up, or use your fingers to pull those hairs back up so you can really get the corners and hair follicles to get the shape that you're trying to form for your eyebrow. I think I have found my shape that I want, so I'm just cleaning it up, getting rid of any hanging follicles if there were any. So this is what it looks like now. And I'm also going to clean up the other side as well to get rid of any hanging follicles that aren't in alignment with the shape that I have created. So I'm going to do it a couple times back and forth, just cleaning up the brows, creating the finishing touches to the brows. You can spend as much time or as less time doing that if you want. And last but not least, I will be using the exfoliating wipes to exfoliate my eyebrows. One, to get the lip liner off of my eyebrow and not get any like razor bumps in my eyebrow area or pimples. So I'm just going to exfoliate my eyebrows. My eyebrows used to look like this, and now this is a before and after side to side image of what it looks like now. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and tell me what you think about my eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.
You's a queen, queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.